Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will walk you through how to log in to your Kakao app. Whether you are returning to your account or logged in on a new device, I've got you covered. Let's get started. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Then open the Kakao Talk app on your phone. Look for the yellow icon with a speech bubble that says Talk. Click on it. On a welcome screen, tap on Login. If you don't already have an account, check out other videos on how to sign up for Kakao Talk. Type in your phone number or an email address. For now, I will give my phone number. And on the second bar, you have to type in the password for the Kakao app. Tap on Login. Then the app will ask you allow access to your phone to autofill your numbers. Click on OK. Then you have to type in your phone number. Then select OK. Kakao may ask you to verify phone number for added security. Just enter your phone number and you will receive a verification code via SMS. Tap on send verification message. Now you have to send the message to Kakao app. Then click on check verification. And that's it. You have now logged in and ready to chat, share photos and connect with your friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching and I will catch you in the next one.